This is a messenger automation. This automation can reply to your customers and build a nice relationship with them. And it can reply exactly the way you want. When needed, it can send your website link to customers. Not only that, it can build a good relationship with customers. And you can see all the replies. For this, you don't need any extra tracking tool. Now let's see how to create this kind of messenger automation. First, open your browser and search here make.ai or make.com. From here, open the first website. If you already have an account, then log in. If not, then sign up using Google. I will give a link in the comment box. If you create an account using that link, you will get the Pro plan free for 1 month. This is our account. From here, click on the scenario option on the left side. After coming here, if you have done any work before, it will show here. Since we are new, nothing is showing. Now click Create Scenario. Here you will find many apps, probably more than 2,000. To start working, click on this plus option. Here type Messenger. Now click on Facebook Messenger. From here, select Watch Messages. Now we need to create a webhook. This is very easy. Give the webhook a name. You can give any name, but give something you can remember. Next is Verify Token. This is important. Put anything you like here, but you must remember it because it will be needed later. I am giving something easy so I can remember. Now you can see a link is created here. Copy this link. Now go to your browser and search Meta Developer. Open it. One important thing, since we are going to use meta items, we need a meta business portfolio. Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, all are meta. So having a meta business portfolio is important. It is very easy to create. Takes about 5 minutes. You can search on YouTube, how to create meta business portfolio. You will find many videos. After coming to Meta Developer, on the top, you will see My Apps. Click there. If you created any app before, it will show here. Now click Create App. Give your app a name. From here, click Others. Scroll a little and select Other, then click Next. Select Business. Here you will see your app name. Below you will see Business Portfolio. If you click there, you can see all portfolios under your Facebook ID. This is optional, we don't need it. Now click Create App. It will ask for your Facebook password, enter it. Now our work is almost near the end. Since we are creating Messenger automation, select Messenger from here. Now we are here. Do you remember we created a webhook and copied a link? Now paste that link here and enter the Verify token you saved. After putting everything, click Verify and Save. Now click this small icon. From here, select the required ones, around 4 options. We don't need anything else. Now click Generate Access Token. Select the Facebook page for which you are creating automation. Click Connect. Now you will see all pages under your Facebook ID. I am selecting my page, example, X Fashion. From here, we need to subscribe to some options. These are needed for a proper automation. Done. Nothing else needed here. Now you can see an option called Generate Token. This is almost the final step. But before that, we need to do one more thing. At the top, you can see Live is off. We need to turn it on, otherwise automation will not work. To turn it on, go to App Settings.
If you have a website, put your privacy policy URL here. Also, upload a logo for your app. If you don't have a website, no problem. Let's see how to do it in 1 minute. Open ChatGPT in your browser. Now tell it, create a privacy policy PDF for my business. Remember to add your phone number, your Gmail, small description of your business. I will give you the prompt in the description so you can copy it. Download the PDF. Now open Google Drive. Upload the PDF there. After upload, open it and click Share. Make it public so Meta can see it. Copy the link. Paste that link in Meta. Now we need a logo. Go to ChatGPT again and say, create a logo for my brand. Also mention the logo size, download it. Now go back to Meta Developer and upload the logo. Done. Now click Save Changes. Now turn on the live button. It will take a little time. Now it is live. Go to Facebook and search your page. Send a message to test. Before sending, go to make.com. Right-click the Messenger trigger module. Click Run this module only. Now go to Facebook and send any message. Come back to make.com and see Recam. Yes, our automation is working perfectly. Click plus. Search Make AI. You will see Make AI agents. Select it. Click Add. From connection type, select Make AI Provider. Why not OpenAI or others? Because if you select others, you need API key and credits. But with Make AI, you don't need those. Give a name to the connection. Select the latest model. Now comes instructions. That's top white, the most important part. Here your automation will show its power. You can tell the AI how to talk, what to say, when to send links, whether to use emojis, which emojis to use or avoid. The more details you give, the better it will work. I already created mine, so I paste it here. Now drag and drop text and input. Drag sender PS ID to conversation ID. Now we need to send messages. Click plus, again. Go to Facebook Messenger. Select to send messages. Create connection. Just give a name. No need to click anything else. Now go back to Meta Developer. On the left side, click Messenger arrow, Messenger API settings. Now generate access token. Click Generate arrow, copy it. Go back to make.com, paste the token and save. Set message type response. Recipient sender PS ID text. AI response, save. Now everything is almost done. But adding a small filter is smart. Otherwise, automation will keep running automatically. Add filter between AI agent and send message module. Set label name condition. Sender PSID not equal to page ID. Save. Now save the full scenario. Click Run Once. Go to Facebook and test with another account. You will see it replies exactly how you instructed. Now turn it on in make.com. No need to change anything. Save. Now send another message. What are you selling? See, it is working. In the same way, you can connect WhatsApp. If you want, I will show that in the next video.